Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Notion to embed project dashboards in Slack step by step clearly. To start, open your Notion workspace. Navigate to the project dashboard you want to embed in Slack. In the top right corner, click on the Share button. Ensure that the dashboard is set to Share to the web. Next, copy the link provided in the sharing options. Now, open your Slack application. Choose the channel or direct message where you want to embed the dashboard. In the message input area, paste the Notion link you copied. Slack will automatically generate a preview of the Notion dashboard. To allow this integration, you may need to enable Notion in Slack's app settings. Go to the Slack app directory by clicking on Apps in the sidebar. Search for Notion in the directory and select it. Click on Install to add the Notion app to your Slack workspace. Follow the prompts to authorize Notion to access your Slack. Once authorized, return to the channel where you pasted the dashboard link. You should now see a fully interactive Notion dashboard embedded in your Slack. Make sure to check that team members can access the link. If you face any issues, revisit your Notion sharing settings. Repeat this process for any additional dashboards you want to embed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.